Hello, sir. My name is Nova Angelica. Today, I will present my second recorder task. Template of second recorder task. English consonant sound. 1. Bilabial sound. P as in pig, pen, cap. B as in bake, back, cap. As in mode, main, aim. 2. Dental interdental sound. D as in din, think, bat. D as in this, that, mother. 3. Labial dental sound. F as in fee, fun, leaf. F as in foe, faint, love. 4. Alveolar sounds. D as in dim, top, Kate. D as in Dane, duck, met. Z as in so, sun, miss. Z as in zip, zoo, nose. N as in nick, nap, men. L as in look, like, bell. 5. Pause alveolar sound. S as in ship, shop, wash. Z as in major, Fijian, gender. R as in rock, rat, car. 6. Palatal sounds. Y as in yes, yellow, yacht. 7. Filler sound. K as in coat, Kate, back. G as in get, go, bake. As in song, sing, long. W as in water, wind, cove. 8. Glottal sound. H as in heart, hat, hope. So that's all from me. Thank you.